Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Venkat and in this video I'm going to show you how to install other mods on Among Us. So let's open any one of the browser and I will provide this link in the description so that you can able to get it from there. And this is the other roles. So here there is each and every details that you want to know. Here how many mods are included in it, and make sure you download the latest version. I'm going to download this. So download has been started. It's around 10 MB. So and below you can see how to install it on Linux and Windows, and also there are custom hats, colors, and also role explanation, so you can able to understand the game very well. So files has been downloaded. Now I'm going to copy it to desktop and extract it. So I'm going to extract it right now. Now I'm going to copy these things and paste it in my Steam Among Us folder. So that's it guys. Now I'm going to open Among Us game. So once you have copied these files into Among Us game, so that could take a little bit time because they need to access the BepNX and Mono folders, so it could consume little bit time. So let's wait for that to open itself. So it's opening guys, you can see that. So let me open it out. So if you have done everything properly fine, then you can see the Among Us other roles directly. So let me create a lobby and show how many images are there and what other stuff they have included in it. Let's go. So in this mod you can go with 15, but they are blank as for now, so let's wait for update so that we can able to access them, I think, in future. So let's go with 10 right now. So here you can see all the details, those who made these mods, and here are the other things to control mods. So let's see hats. Okay, I can see only normal hats right now. So this is the way how to install these mods in Steam guys, and if you are on cracked version then it's a simple process. My god, here you can see many other things. Steamer mod, Potion task, and role summary. They have included many things. Okay, let's leave now and let me show with cracked version. Very simple guys. So just copy the other roles. So just copy this and paste them in the Among Us game directly itself. Paste in this folder. So that's it. Going to work fine, but in this cracked version you may not be able to use quick chat and custom name. So I recommend you to go with Steam because it's only 159 rupees, I think. So thanks for watching guys, and I will catch you up in the next video. And if you love to join us on live streams, you can subscribe to the channel guys. So bye everyone.